Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which actually shows the folder size or the file size directly inside the status bar in the bottom position. So this is the extension here. If you go to extension, just type here folder size and this extension will come right here. It's used by almost 19,000 times. So simply click the install button to activate this extension. So after activating this, you simply go to the folder here which you are working right here. Simply click on the folder, and after clicking it, you will actually see it will show the size right in the status bar. So you can see it is showing the size here, status bar 3.94 kilobyte. And you can just see this is, if I close everything here from here, just select the folder here, you will see it will show directly here at the bottom side in the status bar the size of this file. So this is a very useful extension which you can install inside VS Code to actually see the size of any sort of folder or file. So simply activate this folder size. This is the name of the extension. And also check out my website freemediatools.com which contains thousands of tools.